You are thinking I am Bhikari.
No, no, no. You look like Durandar. You look like Durandar. Yeah, I received a call from Shahrukh Khan, and he want to buy this.
People will beating you because of you.
Oh yes, sir. According to me, you checked on like Chandpol for like Thela or something. You know, like this is brand showroom.
I want to I want to purchase like this 20 sari.
20, yes, I have many. I have many sarees. Then definitely yes, sir. And yes, no, no, no.
This is a three.
No, 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 sir. You, according to me, if you want to purchase a sari for your wife, then sir, firstly you need to come here with your wife because you don't know about like.
I have so me surprise for my wife and come to not come for
You want to give surprise
Yes.
to your wife with 20 sarees.
Yes.
Oh my god.
20 sarees.
Yes. Then yes, sir. Definitely, I have
So
like
so
yes.
me. You are very good.
Sir, yes, you need to check. Firstly, like we need to confirm like budget. Yes, firstly, sir, we need to check like decide money, all that. After that, we have many stocks in my bags. Then definitely, no, no, in my bag, no need to like show, but I have many sarees in this bag and like 10 sarees packed
I have
available in this bag and you want to and yes and you can see like yeah this
But
is very different.
this product is me.
No sir, you know recently like my shopkeeper took from my shop.
please give me 20 sari.
Yes,
Yes. Give me.
if you want to 20 sarees then you know I have many bags and in one bag 10 bags.
Give me.
Yes, please two bags and give me. And sir, firstly, yes, Mr. Shiva.
But
Yes, firstly
but this side I try for you.
No, sir. You if you want to 20 sarees, then definitely my shopkeeper लाने के लिए गया है. He is going to bring from store. But sir, now we want to discuss about payment. So you need to pay payment for 20 sarees, and my shopkeeper will
But
bringing from
I am
my
not.
store.
I am not satisfied your products, your shop,
Then,
and your.
no, sir. Then definitely you can change. Like it is service is available 24/7. Then definitely, if your wife doesn't like
Not, I
this
am
sari,
not other
then
shop.
definitely you can exchange and definitely you can return here because you know, sir, about my shop. Like it is very trusted shop, and in market, according to me, like my shop is very oldest to other. Then yeah, and you definitely, sir, you can check review in on Google of my shopkeepers. We are like we have around like 1 lakh reviews.
I think this shop is failing because
No, why?
you don't have any product.
My
I
shop is
need
not
20
failing.
sarees and
I think you are.
you don't
confused.
have 20 sari.
You are confused for many products.
Sir,
Who buy this? Who buy this?
Yes, firstly you came and firstly your requirement is for like gamcha and after then your requirement is like for sari, after then your requirement is for 20 sari. According to me, you saw my shop and very confused because we have many qualities and like quantities. You according to me, and if you want to purchase like any like shoes, socks, sarees, like shirts, everything is available in my shop, then definitely according to me you are very confused. So firstly, sir,
You have
I say
shoes.
you buy sari.
Yes.
and
You have shoes.
yes, I have shoes.
I think he
Oh.
is very happy and not you come here. You come here. Just will try for one time.
And you know, sir, gamcha is sold out. Sold out. Yes. Now gamcha is not available. If you want, then definitely I ordered. Gamcha is sold out, and according to me, after 20 minutes, according to me, sari is sold out. And if you want to buy this, then definitely you can buy now. After 20 minutes, and like because you know, I have one customer in waiting list. He like she sitting in waiting area. So after that, she come here. She will come and she buy many sarees.
Then you don't
I want to ask
product and you talk to me.
I want to
Yeah.
ask
Then you don't purchase
Your
product and
customer.
talk to me.
Yes, if you want
you
to
want-
other product, then definitely you can talk with Shiva.
do you want purchase some item?
Yes,
so-
she sitting in waiting list. You know, waiting area, and after you, she will come and purchase according to many sarees, because she ordered many sarees. Yeah.
But your shop is khali.
Your shop is empty.
Your shop is empty.
Oh, no.
You don't have any product.
Import product for my godown.
In my store, yes,
It's not up here.
we have only sample products here, and
It's very unique or expensive product.
expensive products. Yes. So
Right,
yes,
understand.
you you done your deal with 20 sarees, so now you can payment on my like scanner.
No.
But sir, you like you buy one saree. Yeah. Yes, sir. No. Like yes, sir. If you
I
want
am
to
not
buy this, then
satisfied
definitely-
your relations and
My relation?
Relation of what I said.
not personal, bro.
We have.
Yes.
You try this sari. Well, check this sari.
There is trial room. Then definitely like you can like this, and yes, definitely we provide you some pin.
It's very it's sari.
Yes.
Yes, both
You buy this sari and go home and give your wife.
Yes.
And check review. Yeah, expression.
And sir, if you really want to buy this, then definitely 20% discount for you.
This is a
Yeah.
this is
The
a
price.
Yeah.
Price is 50,000 rupees.
50,000. Yes, and if you want to buy this, then
This is a very
definitely
short.
like discount is
But
But
available.
outside they sell for 300 rupees only.
But
My
According to me, you checked on like Chandpol for like Thela or something. You know, like this is brand showroom.
50 rupees.
Huh?
Quality is quality.
Yeah, this is like valuable shop.
quantity. You check quality.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they don't have money. I know they don't have money. They are.
I think US only
They are
best time.
You are talking about like 20 sarees.
I have so many money.
Yes.
Okay, well.
I think it's fake.
No, sir. You are very valuable customer for me.
You are understanding us. You are thinking I am bhikari.
No, sir. Like customer is like God.
Ambani is everyone, not all is Ambani.
No,
not
like-
my thinking, it's my owner thinking. It's owner.
No, sir.
I
Customer.
can purchase your shop.
But yeah, sir, please immediately.
Immediately.
then you don't purchase. Then you go down.
No, sir.
Then don't purchase this my product. And
No. Like
No,
yes,
I am good. Yes, I am
No,
good.
sir. Please.
Yes, I am good. Yes,
No, sir. You need to come here. No, you need
No,
to
I am
come
not
here.
satisfied with your product.
You need to come.
Hey, guys, come again. No.
Customer is God. Customer is God for me. No. You need to come here. You need to come here, sir.
Come again.
No. We arrange for like some tea or something special. No. We arrange. No.
Yes, you. But you don't purchase to my product.
No. He want to buy. He want to buy.
But ये तो बातें कर रहे हैं कौन सी?
No. He want to buy. He want to buy. Sir, please come here. I will arrange some like tea or coffee for you. So please come here, and this.
Come to purchase.
I apologize from behavior. Like No, no.
You are insulting us.
No, sir. Like you know, this is like new shopkeeper, so that's why he don't know. He doesn't know about value of customers. So I apologize from him and sorry. And now like I call to one shop. He will arrange some like snacks or like tea and coffee for you.
You can-
so you can check.
You can get out your team member.
You need to ignore and you need to check like our product. Yes.
People will beating you because of you.
Oh yes, sir. You
Team member.
you need to ignore because I apologize, and now you need to focus on our clothes. No need to focus on like my shopkeepers all. And yeah, I apologize for.
So equality.
Yes, you can check, sir. I also
Better you check this one.
unfold front of you. Then definitely you can check.
But I am not satisfied this product.
is very expensive brand.
You can see, sir, brand name. You can see brand name.
From your brand.
Yes. But according to me, sir, you need to showing some interest. Right now, you like you doesn't show your interest, sir. Definitely, we have many qualities. So, firstly, you need to show interest. And yes, sir. I ordered gamcha, and now gamcha is available. Again, I am saying if you want to purchase this, then definitely you
So
can
much like
purchase.
that.
After then, sir, I received a call from Shahrukh Khan, and he want to buy this.
Then you white color? Your favorite white color?
Yes.
Then I am. मतलब लेने के लिए
I am going to be.
I am going to be.
Yes,
Yeah, definitely.
yes, sir. Recently, Shahrukh Khan calling me
Wow,
for
they have
for
one
the,
more-
yes, sir.
One more cheetah point.
Yes, sir.
One more point.
You know, sir. You can check like white
But
color.
this is a-
No, sir. No, sir.
So many.
No, sir. Right now, you no need to laughing because
Use the product.
no. This is not used. Let me complete. I also explained you this is very high quality product and this is very low quality product.
I
You
can
know,
try this.
But no
And
quality
if-
product is
You can try.
No,
I can
if you
try.
want to buy this, then definitely you can buy. Otherwise, like
So many black color.
It's very useful for.
yes,
Yeah, you are looking.
you look like Durandar. Yeah,
You like Amir Khan for.
Yeah.
you look like Durandar.
Oh, I see. What is this?
Yes, sir.
This is a look for.
No, like no, sir. You need
No.
you
This is a not
you need
comfortable.
to, sir. Yeah.
Comfortable.
This is not comfortable because
Yeah, well,
You look like Amir Khan for Lagan.
yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Then you product to sunlight.
you can silent.
You need to, yes, sir. Please purchase this because you know weather is very hot, and after then like you can save your like head, you can protect your body, and you can cover your like full body, and you can
मतलब सर उसको क्या कहते हैं करने को
Can you go
मतलब
चुभ रहा है ऐसा?
हाँ चुभ
Okay.
Yes.
Scratching.
it is scratching.
Okay, sir. Firstly, you need to wash. After then, you need to use because you know about like sorry to say, you like before this, you used any like branded clothes.
But I am used for urgently and I am go to.
Then
Yes.
definitely, sir. Give me 10 minutes. I will like wash and for.
This is recently I am go to.
But you
Yes.
you say you
Yeah,
buy
give me
sarees.
only 10 minutes.
You buy sarees after you buy sarees and this is watch.
What is that?
This is extra. This is extra.
This is a damage.
Wait, not damage.
Yes,
It's
damage.
not damage.
This is a damage for.
This is extra.
Yes.
No, sir.
It's extra.
this is a quality.
Yes, this
You need to check quality. You need to compare. Like this is very low quality and this is very high quality. And according to me, yes, no need to like check others.
no quality. I provide first and best.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to purchase this product.
No, sir. Like you know, one customer is in waiting, and you firstly you want to check like gamcha. After then you want to like sari, and after then you want something else. Sir, firstly, could you please share your like actual requirement, because we have many customers and we have like many like here.
I need for kamcha and
but-
sardi.
but-
Can you try to sari?
And sir, you know.
Sari and
You know, today's many like shopkeepers is on leave, so
I don't.
Other
I don't try.
Don't try because of my policy.
Yes.
other customer will you beat?
Why?
Because you don't have branded clothes and you don't have good behavior.
Yes.